Good day everyone, I am Sam Victorino, Capstone Leader, and I am here to present to you building a courier service web application, Stork Courier Service, for easier transport of goods during the COVID-19 pandemic. To start with the presentation, we will proceed to Chapter 1, the problem and its background. These parts will be explained and reported by Mr. Jonas Millan, Dalangan.
The following are the content of Chapter 1, Introduction, Project Content, Purpose and Description, Objective of the Study, and lastly, Scope and Limitations. Here is the first part, the introduction. In these trying times, most people prefer to stay indoors due to the pandemic. They do not want to risk going out of doors because this is not just for their own but also for other people's safety as well. Therefore, they are struggling to buy their necessities and other things that they would like to get from stores outside. We came up with our courier service to be of great help and service to people during this pandemic. We developed this web application to offer secure and faster service. The second one is project content. Digital transformation is the involvement of digital technologies that make undemanding and effective process. It's a usual activity back then to go to post offices whenever you want to deliver something. But it takes a great inconvenience to go to post offices and wait for your package or mails to be delivered. Adopting courier services lessens the need for spending more on miscellaneous expenses. The third one is purpose and description. The system will be used for day-to-day activities like out return, organization and details, hub rates, booking, non-transport, and pickup center. The following are the importance of adopting courier and delivery services. Cost-efficient, streamlined operations, good for acquiring specialty items, and flexible. The next one is objective of the study. To help the user register a courier service to deliver goods and items from the comfort of their homes. To help the user to deliver their items with as minimum human contact as possible for health and safety purposes. To give the users the option to use the web application as an alternative solution whenever they are in circumstances of not having a mobile device. And the last one is scope and limitation. Stork Courier Service web application a web system development that is intended for organizations, businesses, and individual users to deliver and send their products and items to a certain location whenever they want. It also lets them track and monitor the shipment process as well as monitor their shipment details.
We will now proceed to Chapter 3, Technical Background, Methodology, and Results and Discussions. These parts will be explained and reported by Ms. Elaiza Acoros.
Chapter 3 will contain the requirement analysis and documentation, as well as the design software, development and testing of the program, and the description of the prototype. These are the requirements to fully utilize the web application system. The clients and server, an internet connection or cellular data, an email and password for login, an admin to oversee all the transactions, and the user's input of pick-up and drop-off location in terms of transaction. The programming languages used to construct and design the website are PHP, CSS, Visual Studio, Figma, and Photoshop 2021. The process flow in developing the web application system are: the first is planning and constructing the overall idea of the web application, then the development of title. After the title approval, distribution of workload to each member comes next. Then designing of the user interface, coding and testing of the program, and lastly, finalization. So what are the processes in making the software? The ones in the middle or inside are the dependent variables, and the development process depends on the independent factors or variables, which are the ones on the left and right. The system framework is basically the flow of the development of the web application system. The data flow diagram is how the processes in the system entirely work or flow. This is how the researchers brainstormed about concept ideas and started the development of a web query service system. What are the components of the system? Home page will be the first page the users will see when they visit the website. Login page is where the users will need to log in to access the website. Sign up page is where a user has to create an authenticated account. It can either be the user client type or admin type. Tracking pages where the user can track the current status of their parcel. User dashboard pages where the user's list of schedules and e-way bills can be seen. Lastly, the admin dashboard page, which shows the list of all the summaries of schedules and way bills.
Hello everyone, Sam Victorino is back to present to you the Stork Courier Service Web Application. Stork Web Application is an online tool for individual users and small businesses alike to monitor and check their delivery services. Stork is derived from the stork birds. In history and nursery rhymes, they are depicted as couriers from the sky as they deliver babies and packages. From that idea, we want to offer a fast delivery service within the current situation of the global pandemic. So let's start with the homepage. The page consists of a color palette of blue, yellow, light blue, and white. The blues represent the sky, which is associated with the storks. Blue is also connected with trust and loyalty, values that are heavily presented in delivery services, and yellow to give a youthful and optimistic touch. The homepage starts with the possible contacts as well as the tabs for rates, about us, FAQ, tracking, login, and lastly, the sign up. As you click the rates page, the home page will scroll down automatically to the rates area where you can see the price ranges based on weight and sizes of the parcel as well as the location of pickup. The rate cards also have a book now button that will direct you to the scheduling of pickup if you have already signed in with your account. Clicking the About Us tab will also automatically scroll you down from the rates page. It contains a short description of Stork and its offered services. Same with the FAQ tab, it will scroll you down automatically as it presents to you the list of possible questions by the user. The answers are presented in a drop-down manner every time you click the questions. There is also a tracking tab for you to check the current status of your parcel. The login page will let you have access to your account. It also gives you access to create a new one if you don't have an account to use. The Create an Account button will direct you to the sign up page. The sign up page will help you to register a new account to gain access to the system. Whenever you create a new account, an email confirmation will pop up. Entering your account will be presented to your own user dashboard. The user dashboard enables you to view your scheduled pickups and e-way bills. It also enables us users to schedule a new pickup, create a new way bill, and also to manage our address. Clicking the Schedule a Pickup tab will direct you to the Schedule a Pickup form, a form that the user can fill out to schedule a pickup date. It will also pop up a confirmation to double-check the details. Going back to the user dashboard, clicking the Create e-way bill tab will direct you to a new form, the Create e-way bill form. It lets the user to fill up a date and destination with the receiver's information in sending a parcel or delivery. In the user dashboard, clicking the Manage Address tab will direct the users to the list of address for pickup. It also lets the user to add a new address to the list. All the information that the user added from those forms will be directed to the list on the main user dashboard. The main user dashboard will present you the list of scheduled pickups as well as the list of e-way bills. Logging in a specific account lets the user enter the admin dashboard. Compared to user dashboard, the admin dashboard has the option to manage pickups and way bills, as well as to view the list of users of the system. The main admin dashboard is divided into 3 different categories of lists: the scheduled summary, the scheduled pickups, and way bills. The scheduled summary category is for the list of pickups that are already been done or processed. It shows the pickup date as well as the pickup location of a parcel. The scheduled pickups category is for the list of pickups that are yet to be processed. The admin can change the status of the current process of the pickup. And the way bills category shows the list of deliveries that are needed to be processed. Same with the pickups, the admin can also change the status of delivery. The area tab shows the current available areas that are covered by the service. The admin can create and add a new location to the list as well as add the new barangay in that certain location area. The promo tabs shows the list of bookings under a specific user. The waybills tab shows the current summary of the processed waybills as well as the details of the delivery. And lastly, the user tabs will show the updated list of users and their information that uses the system. That's all for our presentation for building a courier service web application, Stork Courier Service, for easier transport of goods during the COVID-19 pandemic, as our partial requirement for Capstone Project and Research 1. We do hope that you understand fully our system and may God bless us this semester. This has been Sam Victorino. Have a good day and goodbye.